Good morning, children. In previous class, we have completed the basic lines and angles. Yes, how the lines, median angle, and also how the triangles and its properties also we have learned. Like that, equilateral triangle and also isosceles triangle and also scalar triangle we have learned. Yes, how the isosceles and also equilateral triangle and also scalar triangle is represented, and we have learned the base sides based on sides and also based on angles also. Yes, based on sides we have learned how many equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and also scalar triangle based on sides. These are, and based on angles, acute angle, right angle and also right angle, isosceles triangle and also obtuse angle also we have learnt. Yes, these are the some of the triangles based on angles and also angles on based on angles. Then we have learned some relation between the triangles, sides of the triangle and also median of the following subject. Yes, now let us move some exercise. We have done some of the exercise problems also. Now here let us see now fourth sum. Now you find the value of unknown x in the following triangles. Here they have given the triangle. They have given the triangle like this. Here point A, point B and also point C. From this, here A is x degrees and also B is 50 degrees and also the point 60 degrees. Yes, from this we have to prove that find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now in the triangle, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC, yes or no? This is a triangle ABC. We know the angles. Angle A equal to x degrees, angle B equal to 50 degrees, angle C equal to 60 degrees. Yes, they have already mentioned the angles x degrees and also 50 degrees and also 60 degrees. From this we have to find the value of x. Yes, now here from we know that the triangle sum of the triangle equal to angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Yes. Now from this angle A equal to x degrees, angle B equal to 50 degrees, angle C is equals to 60 degrees. 180 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So when x degrees plus 50 plus 60 how much? 110 degrees. So equal to 180 degrees. Now x degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. X degrees equals to from 180 onwards 160. 110 if you remove how much? 70. What is the value of x degrees? Equal to 110 degrees. Sorry, 70 degrees. Yes. Now which is equals to angle A? Yes, sir. Angle A equal to 70 degrees. Yes. Understood? Same. Next, angle sum property. Here they have given some of the rectangle. This is point P, Q, R. Yes, P, Q, R. From this, R it is given x degrees. Q it is given 30 degrees. Yes. Now we don't know the other value. Yes. Other value. Yes. Now from this we have to find the x degrees. Teacher, then the point B it is not given. What is the value of point P? Yes. Then it is in the shape of right angle. It is in the shape of right angle. Nana, I told you already that if it is like this, if it is like this, if it is like this, if it is like this also, if it is any type of any line which is in the shape of L degrees, it is equal to 90 degrees. It is equal to 90 degrees. So the point P equal to 90 degrees. The point P equal to 90 degrees. So in triangle, in rectangle, keep the symbol rectangle symbol. So by that you can identify easily in rectangle PQR. In rectangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. Yes, 180 degrees. Now, what is the point P? 90 degrees. Plus angle Q, 30 degrees. Angle R, x degrees equals to 180 degrees. Yes, now 90 plus 30, 120 degrees plus x degrees equals to 180 degrees. Yes, now bring x degrees this side. 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Yes, now x degrees equal to, what is the x degrees? 60 degrees. What is the x degrees? 60 degrees. What is the x value? Point R equal to 60 degrees. Yes, understood? Point R equal to 60 degrees. Now, here remaining sums are equal and the same as it is. Here also you have to identify the x degrees only. Yes, now in this, here they have given another problem which is as it is. Everyone look at the board now. See. (110 degrees), it is 30 degrees, here it is x degrees. The values, the points are x, y, z. The points are x, y, z. Now from this we have to find the value of x. Yes sir. Now from triangle x, y, z. From triangle x, y, z. We know the angle, sum of the property, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So, what is the values, what is the points are given in the form of x, y, z. So, we are going to write angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to 180 degrees. Angle x how much? 30 degrees. 110 degrees plus x degrees equals to 180 degrees. Yeah, 140 degrees plus x degrees equals to 180 degrees. X degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. X degrees is equals to 40 degrees. Yes, what is the value of x? That is point z equal to 40 degrees. Okay, understood? Now, find the values of the unknowns x and y. Here we have to find the value of unknown x and y in the following diagrams. Okay? Here, fifth sum. From these we have to find the values of x. Here point, they have given x degrees and also y degrees. Now which is extend, that is 120 degrees R. P, Q, R. These are the points P, Q, R. From this we have to identify the values of x and y degrees. Yes, we know in triangle P, Q, R. In triangle P, Q, R. In triangle P, Q, R. X angle P plus angle Q plus is equals to 180 degrees. Yes. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. Now, x degrees plus 50 degrees equal to 120 degrees. X degrees 120. X degrees equals to 120 degrees minus 50 degrees. X degrees equals to 70 degrees. Yes. Equals to 70 degrees. Now, x degrees equals to 70 degrees. From this, we have identified the x value is 70 degrees. Yes, we have to identify the x degrees. Now, we have find x degrees equals to 70 degrees. From this we have to identify the value of y value. Yes. Now x degrees equals to 70 degrees, angle q equal to 50 degrees, angle y equal to we don't know, that is r. From angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to 180 degrees. Yes, x 70 degrees, angle p plus angle q plus angle r equal to 180 degrees. What is the value of x? That is p. Yes, x degrees plus 50 degrees plus angle q is equals to y degrees equals to 180 degrees. Yes. Now x degrees 70 degrees plus 50 degrees plus y degrees equals to 180 degrees. Now 120 degrees plus y degrees equals to 180 degrees. Y degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Y degrees is equals to 60 degrees. Yes. Now we have find y degrees equals to, that is point r. R equals to 60 degrees. Understood? Now. Morning, children. Till now we have completed first one. Yes. Now in this we are going to find the sum of x and y values. Okay. First one we have done now. In the same way we are going to do third one. In this they have given triangle which is extended line from this M N A. This is 60 degrees. This is y degrees. This is x degrees. This is 50 degrees. Yes, this is 50 degrees. Now, from this we are going to find the x and y values. Here x and y values they have given, they have not given. So, it is extended by given line. Yes. Now, from this triangle M and A, from triangle M and A or MAN. MAN or from triangle angle M plus angle N plus angle A equal to 180 degrees. Yes. Now already they have given 50 degrees and 50 degrees. Like this angle M equal to 50 degrees, angle N equal to angle A equal to 60 degrees. Yes. From this we have to find the value 1. Then x degrees plus 50 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Yes. So x degrees is equals to 110 degrees. X equal to 110 degrees. Yes. Now x degrees plus y degrees equals to 180 degrees. We know the value of x degrees now 110 degrees. Yes, 110 degrees plus y degrees equals to 180 degrees. Y degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Y degrees equals to 180 minus 110, 70 degrees. Yes. Now we know x degrees is equals to 110 and y degrees is equals to 70 degrees. From this we have got x degrees and y degrees. Now from triangle MAN, triangle M, angle M plus angle A plus angle N equals to 180 degrees. Angle M equals to how much? 50 plus angle A equal to 60 degrees. Angle N, that is y value, that is y degrees now. That is y degrees. So that is y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Yes, y degrees. Now 50 plus 60, 110 degrees plus y degrees equals to 180 degrees. Yes. Now y degrees is equals to 70 degrees. Y degrees is equals to 70 degrees. Understood? Now here find the measure of the third angle of the triangles whose two triangles are given below. They have given one angle 38 degrees and also 100 degrees. From that we have to find the third angle, that let it be x degrees. 38 plus degrees equals to 180 degrees. So now 38 degrees, 102 degrees. From these two angles, they are given two angles from triangle ABC. ABC. Sum of the angles is equals to 180 degrees. Yes, sir. And A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Yes. From this they have given two angles, that is 38 degrees and 180. Let us see angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Yes. Angle A, you think that is 38 degrees, angle B is equals to 180. Let angle C equal to x degrees equal to 180 degrees. So 38 plus 102, that is 10. 140 degrees plus x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Yes. X degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. X degrees is equals to 40 degrees. Yes, X degrees. Other angle is equals to 40 degrees. Understood? Sum of angle. By using that angle, we are going to find the third angle. Yes, sir. In a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30 nana. Find the other acute angle. Then given right angle triangle, so they have given right angle triangle. From that we have to find the other angle. Let it be x. So one angle is 90 degrees. No, that is another angle is 30 degrees. No, we have to prove by using some of the property. We are going to find the other angle. Okay. Let x and other angle, let other angle be x degrees. So given right angle triangle, given right angle triangle is equals to given right angle triangle. So that is 90 degrees. One angle is 90 degrees. By sum of the angle equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Angle A, let it be 90 degrees. Angle B, other acute angle is 30 degrees. Other angle is x degrees equals to 180 degrees. Yes? Now, 90 plus 30, 120. Yes? X degrees equals to 180 degrees. X degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. X degrees is equals to, yes, 60 degrees. X degrees equal to 60 degrees. X degrees equals to 60 degrees. Yes. Now from this we have find x degrees equals to 60 degrees. The other angle is 60 degrees. Okay. That based on given right angle we are going to find. Okay. Now the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. Given that ratios are 1:2:3. From that sum of the ratio we have to find, and given sum of the triangles equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Let the given ratios are 1:2:3. Sum of the ratios, sum of the ratio equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 180 degrees. Yes, this is 6. Yes, sum of the ratios equals. So first angle. What is the given first angle? 1 by 180 into 6. Yes, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 180. How much? 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. That is 30 degrees. Second angle. That is 2. 2 by 6 into total sum of the numbers by given ratio. We have to multiply with given sum of the angles. 6 1s are 6 3s are 2 into 30, 60 degrees. Third angle. Given 3 by 6 into 180 degrees. 3 30s are 90 degrees. What are the angles formed? 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees are the angles formed. Angles formed. Yes? Now, here in the figure, D is parallel to BC. Then angle A equal to 30 degrees, angle B equals to 50 degrees. From that, find the value of x, y, z. We have to find the x value, y value, z value. Then, yes. Now we have completed our exercise 1 and 2. In next class, we are going to continue with chapter exercise 3 and 4. Okay, thank you.